Alright guys, we've got the old HD Milwaukee brushed angle grinder here. We've almost finished the bottom half of the door with the purple strip disc. Been using the 9 amp on it for ages. I've still got one bar left, but I've got a full 6 amp here ready to go. Let me just show you how well it strips off the paint. What brand? 3M Scotch Brite purple strip disc. See the way I'm using it, it really looks like I'm trying, but I'm actually trying to hold the weight off the panel. You don't actually need a great deal of pressure at all. The grinder will just bog down if you put too much pressure on it, so you don't really want to do that. You'll only heat your grinder up and kill it. This is the repaired old brushed one we fixed up the other week. If you scroll back up, you'll see that. Oh no, you'll see that on the main channel. We'll put this video on the automotive channel. As you see, there's hardly any damage or wear to the disc so far. And bare metal back here. We'll get this bit done and then I'll take the camera over here and show you the whole lot. That's a 9 amp down, finally. Geez, they do a lot of work for their size. Switch over to the 6, we'll keep going. I was going to say, hopefully the camera's still recording. So I was having some memory card issues before and that was a bit of a worry. Alright, let's take you in for a closer look. So, here we are. Aside from around the door handle, which needs to be removed for obvious reasons because it's all broken off, you can see bits of primer. Little bits of primer there. So all we have to do now is rub over the whole thing with the orbital sander. The primer won't fry up with the etch primer that I'm using, but the white paint has been having some issues. So there you go. Real time on the camera is just under 15 minutes, 14 minutes 50. All the paint's gone. We used roughly 2 bars of battery on the 9 amp battery. Grinder's still nowhere near hot. Definitely well within operating temperature. I'd probably recommend having a side handle on it. I've got one somewhere at home. Might bring out here for that grinder because that's going to live out the shed most of its time now. Yeah, there you go. Thanks heaps for watching. The 3M purple strip discs, I think you can get those ones at Bunnings. I think, yeah, those ones come from the internet. But yeah, you can get them from Bunnings. There's some affiliate links in the video description down there. Some subscribe buttons on this side, some more video projects on this side. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So, I've got 2 of them. Catch us on the next video. Thank you very much. Cheers.